Here's one of the concept vehicles that Mercedes-Benz is working on, the Vision EQXX. Now, a few things this vehicle is touting. It has a lightweight interior design, innovative material technology, drop shape resulting in a 0.17 coefficient of drag, and power efficiencies in its battery power delivery. So it is an electric vehicle. Now, let me do a quick walk around.
It's going to be good.
Me too. So that's the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX. So this is just a situation with conventions. It's just too many people. Let's see if we can swing to the front. They're doing a presentation right there on the other side. Let's go get that front area. There we go. Clean shot of the front. Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX.